everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make Android smartphone or tablet as a chess clock. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android smartphone. Firstly, just open the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for one application named as chess clock. On the first list you will see the application, just tap on it. Now tap on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just tap on open. On opening, you will see this kind of user interface, right? So if the person is sitting on the next opposite to you, then you can use it this way in the vertical manner. You can just place it in a table. It will be very useful in the portrait mode, and if you want in the landscape mode also, still it's possible. Just enable the auto rotation option and just put in the landscape, so you can see it's being rotated in the landscape directions. So here you can see some options, like the first option is for reset. You can just click on reset, and next is to start this timer. So you can see here the timer started, so you can just tap on it and the next timer will start, and the other person can keep on pressing the timer. Once it's done, so you can repeat the same thing. Other person can click on the timer just like the exact chess clock, and you can just pause it. And next to it is a timer settings, so you can set your time depending upon your needs. So these are some preset times. You can select this new custom time also, and you can set different time options depending upon your needs. On the above you will see some edit option also. You can just delete the preset time, or you can just create your own. And here you can see settings icon on the right top corner, just tap on it. Now you will see some options like theme color, sound, full screen, whichever you want to set here under the settings option. And now on each side you will see here settings option, so you can set a different time settings here depending upon the different portions. When you can see at the other option, you can set your respective time. You can just customize it depending upon your needs. And next to it is a sound volume. You can just mute it, or you can just enable it depending upon your needs. So using this application named as chess clock, you can easily make Android smartphone or tablet as a chess clock very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.